So human brought home bag. Not food bag, not good bag. Crinkle bag. Bag moved when no one touched it. Bag made sound like snakes having a meeting. I did what any trained Black Ops pug would do. I froze, eyes locked. I retreated to safe distance behind couch leg. This is called strategic repositioning. Human laughed. Very disrespectful in Warzone. So I waited. 5 minutes. Maybe 6 years. Bag stopped moving. I approached. I sniffed. It was nothing. Victory. I barked once to let Bag know, I allow you to exist. Then I took a nap because bravery is exhausting.